Lindsay Crisley and Will Campbell are ending their marriage after almost a decade together. The star announced the news of her divorce on Instagram Tuesday with a photo of herself sitting with her and Campbell's 9-year-old son Jackson in their new empty house in Atlanta, Ga. While one door closes and other opens, she captioned the post. It's with the deepest sadness that after 9 years of marriage, Will and I have mutually decided to end our marriage. The duo is all smiles in the photo as Crisley goes on to note that she and Campbell remain friends and have the greatest respect and love for one another, adding that she is grateful for the time they shared together. Todd Crisley slams online troll who criticized biracial granddaughter's skin. I pray God tempers your heart. We will continue to remain friends and be devoted parents to our son, whom we both love very much, she wrote. Crisley concluded her post by noting that she is hoping to use this time of new beginnings to get a fresh start on her life. Personally, I am focusing on the new beginnings ahead and a fresh space with the move this week, she concluded. Thank you in advance for respecting our privacy as we work through this challenging time for our family. People notes the duo got together in 2009 before eloping in 2012. The entire story played out on the reality show Crisley Knows Best in season 1. The relationship caused a rift between her and her father, Todd, that since ballooned into some very public legal drama. This isn't the first time that Crisley has said her marriage was ending. She told People in 2016 that she was filing for divorce from Campbell. The two later reconciled and decided to remain together. However, fans began to notice something was amiss when he stopped appearing on the Coffee Converse podcast in recent weeks. Todd Crisley's estranged daughter, Lindsay, denies leaking info of parents' finances to Texas investigator. Crisley has been having a difficult week. In addition to the divorce news, she was the subject of a police report after she allegedly threw a drink at one of her brother's friends inside an Atlanta bar over the weekend. According to the filing obtained by TMZ, the 31-year-old allegedly threw a drink at her brother Chase Crisley's pal, Austin Dewey, for an unexplained reason. The weaponized beverage allegedly struck Dewey in the head. Dewey got a bouncer to escort Crisley out of the bar around 1 a.m. local time. She alleged to the outlet through her lawyers that only a tiny amount of liquid, if any, actually hit Dewey, and that she was not thrown out of the bar. The attorney also accused Dewey of allegedly accosting Lindsay and her group of friends and further alleged that one of her friends had to push him off her. Her lawyer also maintained that it was Dewey who was the one alleged escorted out of the bar. Crisley's attorney had no comment when reached by Fox News. Contention between Crisley and her family stems from an incident in 2019. She accused Todd and Chase Crisley of attempting to extort her with a sex video of her and Bachelorette star Robbie Hayes. However, her sister Savannah Crisley, 23, said at the time that the tape never existed and no one has publicly said they have seen it.